like I feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
The story tells about husband looks after the wife when as they are getting older, and then uh, it's very touching, and the wife calls him to come back because he's waiting for this, or maybe they are waiting for the car to pick them up. So it'll be very difficult life for them as they are getting older, like senior citizens. So please stay strong and take care as you are getting older. Take care, signing off. And this is the main